Hamilton Beach is a well-known company specializing in producing universal motor-driven appliances. In this video, we'll present an in-depth review of their air purifier, TrueAir. It's a small air purifier characterized by minimalism and a permanent filter. Keep watching and find out how good it is and how it did in our tests. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Before starting, you must prepare the Hamilton Beach TrueAir by doing a few simple steps. First, you have to prepare the filter. Open the front cover, then detach the filter holders and pull out the filter. Next, remove the filter from the plastic wrap, put it back into the device, attach the filter holders, and put back the front cover. Lastly, place it in the desired location, plug it in, and turn it on. Regarding design, it looks somehow old-fashioned and a bit outdated. The plastic quality as well as the build quality is okay, but nothing special. The plastic is a bit sensitive and gets dirty quickly. It's available in white or black. What we like about this air purifier is that it can be placed horizontally or vertically, making it easier to put on tables. It's entirely mechanical, controlled with a control knob, and has 4 states: off, whisper clean, medium, and quick clean. We found it a little disappointing that this air purifier doesn't have additional features. It doesn't even have a filter reset indicator, which is a bit surprising in this era of smart devices. The only thing we could highlight is the possibility of connecting it with a smart plug. We can't say that this is a minimalistic air purifier, as it does not look like it is, but we can say that this air purifier needs a boost in terms of features. You can find more information about this air purifier at airpurifierfirst.com. The Hamilton Beach TrueAir is a rectangular air purifier with openings for drawing in air in the front. After the air goes through the air inlets, it's filtered and exits through the openings on the left. Speaking of filtration technology, we want to say that the Hamilton Beach TrueAir has just one filter, which is HEPA grade and which captures 99% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns in size. Comparing this with true HEPA filters, which capture 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, we can conclude that the Hamilton Beach air purifier filter is significantly inferior to the true HEPA filter. The filter is paper, the same as the usual HEPA filters, but as per the manufacturer's words, it's permanent and needs to be cleaned from time to time. What we noticed is that there's a nylon mesh on the front side of the filter, which looks like the pre-filter on some other air purifiers, and we believe it has the same function. In conclusion, although it uses a HEPA-grade filter, it made acceptable results in the performance test. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The Hamilton Beach TrueAir filter is durable, and the manufacturer recommends regular maintenance and cleaning of the filter rather than replacement. You should clean the filter every 3 to 6 months. The procedure is straightforward. First, you must open the front cover, detach the filter holders, and pull out the dirty filter from the device. Then, use a vacuum cleaner and clean all the dust on the filter, as well as the dust accumulated on the other parts of the device. The last step is to put the filter back, attach the filter holders, and close the front cover. And that's it. Your device is ready to use. When it comes to noise testing, this air purifier has 3 fan speeds. We used a special noise measurement tool to test them separately. At the first speed, it produces a sound of 45.2 dBA. At the second speed, a sound of 51.8 dBA. And at the max speed, a sound of 54.9 dBA. Overall, it's quiet at the max speed, while at the first speed, it's much louder than some competing air purifiers we have tested, which is why we wouldn't recommend it for the bedroom. Although this is a very small air purifier, it uses a motor of 44 watts, which is slightly more powerful than we expected. At the first speed, it consumes only 9.1 watts, while at the max speed, it consumes 33.9 watts. So let's say you left this air purifier on the max speed 24 hours daily for 1 month, then your electrical bill would be increased by about $3. But remember that the Hamilton Beach TrueAir doesn't require replacing filters, so you don't have any additional costs. After summing up all the costs, we can conclude that this air purifier is affordable for annual maintenance. The Hamilton Beach TrueAir is intended for small rooms of up to 160 square feet. Accordingly, we have tested it in approximately similar room sizes. In the first test, in a room of 120 square feet, for just 60 minutes of working on the max speed, this air purifier improved the air quality by about 88%. In the second test, this time in a room of 194 square feet, in the same conditions, it improved the air quality by about 82%. These are not fascinating results, which we expected due to not having a true HEPA filter. In addition, we noticed slightly worse performance in removing bad odors due to lacking a carbon filter. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time is needed for the Hamilton Beach TrueAir to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. The Hamilton Beach TrueAir is a popular air purifier with some unusual characteristics. It uses a permanent filter and has no advanced features, but it's affordable for maintenance and made okay results in performance tests. The most crucial disadvantages of this air purifier are lacking a true HEPA filter and a filter reset indicator feature. We recommend buying it if your budget is limited, but if it's not, other air purifiers such as the Levoit Core 300, the Core 200S, or some Winx air purifiers would be a better buying option. If you have any questions about this air purifier, please leave a comment below the video. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.